Hello friends, today we'll learn how to automatic interest calculation in Tally. For that, let's consider one simple transaction. On 1st April, sold goods to Messrs. Namrata Electronics for 30 days credit period with interest rate 6% per annum. So, first create a company, press F, Alt F3 for company creation, type interest calculation company name and enter required fields what you required like mailing names, address, state, and select any financial year. You can also select any type of company like accounts only or accounts with inventory and accept it. Then go to company features, press F11 for accounting features and make account activate interest calculation yes and use advanced parameter yes and I accept it. After that, create some ledgers, press escape key in accounting masters, account info, ledgers create. Create first ledger like Messrs. Namrata Traders or Namrata Electronics. Under the groups and debtors, make maintain balance bill by bill and activate interest calculation also yes. In the interest parameter window, activate both options or three options yes like interest transaction by transaction, each transaction and override advanced parameter. Enter the rate 6% and select any interest type like 30 days, 365 day year, calendar month or calendar year. In our transaction, the 6% rate of interest is for per annum. That's why we select here calendar year. Interest balance under credit balance, debit balance, or you can also take all balance. Applicability always and calculate from effective date of transactions and accept. Then create sales ledger under the heading or under the group sales. Inventory values are affected. Put yes or no. Then escape. Go to accounting voucher. Press F8 key. Select sales voucher and type reference or sales bill number like sales oblique bill 101. Select daters. Enter the amount and under type of reference new reference for 30 days credit it will show you due date like 1st May 2016. In the interest parameter window here this is your due date. In interest parameter window you want to enter here how many days you want to calculate interest. So enter 6% always and enter date here. Here date is most important. Like if you enter 30th April, it will calculate rate of interest for 29 days. That is for 1st April to 30th April. If you enter here due date like 1st May, it will calculate up to 30 days interest. This date is most important for calculation of interest. So here we want to calculate for 30 days interest. That's why we put here 1st May and select sales, enter narration and accept it. Your entry made here on 1st April. Then go to display statements of account, interest calculation, interest receivable. Press F2, enter the period like 1st April to 1st May. If you enter here 30th April, so enter, it will show 238 for 29 days interest. If you press enter key, then here 1st April to 30th April, counted days are 29 days. That's why press F2 again and enter 1st May. It will calculate for 30 days interest like 246.58 for 30 days using rate of interest 6%. 6% is a per annum interest rate. If you want to calculate 10 days interest, press F2 key and enter again any date how many days you want to calculate interest. Like if you enter 1st April to 10th April, it will show 9 days rate of interest. 9 days interest like 73.97 for rate of interest 6% per annum. Then press escape key back to gateway of tally. Go to accounting voucher. If you making a received entry on 1st May, then it will show 50,000 amount which you sell actual sales amount on 1st April. If you change the date here on 1st May, it will again show 50,000 which is a sales amount. It means the interest is not added on the debtor's account. That's why go to account info voucher type and alter debit note voucher type. Type name of class interest received. Use class for interest accounting here, yes, and compound interest, no. If you want to calculate compound interest, make yes and accept. Then press escape key, accounting voucher, press Ctrl plus F9 for, but here the Ctrl F9 is not activated. So press F11 key for accounting features and make use debit credit note option, yes. Invoice for debit credit note is not necessary here. Accept. Then press Ctrl F9 and select class interest received. Then press F2 key, enter the date which is due date, and here you see the interest for 30 days and enter. When you press enter key, it is select type of reference against reference and select your old bill, and it will added in your previous sales bill account. Then create interest received ledger under indirect income and accept. Charge interest on Namrata traders with rate of interest 6% per annum. You write here narrations and accept. Then press F6, select Namrata traders. You can see here the sales bill amount with including interest. So enter 50,246.58 and select against reference and received. If you received by check amount, then create as bank under bank account. Enter your effective date of for bank reconciliation and accept. Check number, write here check number, received full amount from Namrata Electronics, write narration. Accept. Then press again, go to display statements of account, interest calculation, interest receivable. If you enter here 30th April, it not show the interest because you already received amount from the debtors. That's why it not show any receivable interest amount. Thank you.